Home Ministry, and ask the Home Ministry that given the name, and we have not get back from the Ministry as of now. And as you know that the Honorable Chief Minister will go and meet on the border issue with the Home Ministry. I think side by side he will take up this issue also, so that the matter could be taken at the earliest. We have sent the name which we thought that it is acceptable to both the central government and the state government. And after that, then we will see what is to be done. Let this first step, we want this first step to be moved as fast as possible from the government. So let this first step completed, then only we will do all the nitty-gritty afterwards. Then the HNLC can directly contact with this person, whoever may be appointed. Then the nitty-gritty of that talk will be known after that. So as of now, it's too premature for me to say anything on before the appointment of the person concerned. We from the government, we are serious, and I hope that the group will realize that we cannot, that when the process of talk is on, so all these activities should stop immediately.